Hi, welcome to ISTV. Today we are going to learn about the place value and how to write expanded form. What is place value? Place value is awesome to learn because it helps you to decode number. In math, every digit in a number has a place value. Now you're going to learn how the number system works. Place value can be defined as the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position. Digits are a single symbol used to make numerals like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There are 10 digits we use in every numeral. Okay, we have here an example. It's 143. 143 is 1, 2, 3. So it's made up of 3 digits. Another example is 74. 1, 2, 74 is made up of 2 digits. And we have number 6. 1 is made up of 1 digit. Got it? We have here a place value chart. When a number is written, it's written in standard form. Each group of digits separated by a comma is called a period. The number you can see has 3 periods. It's units, thousand, and millions. In a period of units, here, yan, period of units, there has a 3 digit, which is 2, 7, and 6. 6 is in the ones place, 7 is in the tens place, and 2 is in the hundred place. Now, in the period of thousands, here, we have 4, 3, and 1. 1 is in a thousands place, and 3 is in a 10,000s place, and 4 is in 100,000 place. Okay? Are you following me? Now we have here a period of million. Okay? We have a number 9, 8, and 5. 5 is in a millions place, and 8 is in a 10 million place, and 9 is in 100 million place. That's how it's easy to learn a number. So we can read this number as 985,431,276. Now it's quite easy to read a large number. Okay? To know the value or worth of each digit in a number, we have an example here. We have 5, 4, 8. Remember that 5 here, number 5, 5 is in 100 place and its place value is 500. Okay, what is the value of 5? Is 500. Now we have here 4. 4 here is in the tens place and its place value is 40. Are you following me? Now we have here 8, the 1 here. It is in the ones place and its place value is 8. Okay, got it? Now we have an example number 2. We have 2, 3, 4, 1. 2 Here is in a thousands place. So a place value is 2,000. 3 is in a hundreds place. This one. And the place value is 300. Got it? 4. This one. 4 is in the tens place. And its place value is 40. 1 is in a ones place. And its place value is 1. Okay? That's how the place value. Now we try to learn to understand how the number system works. The best way to understand number place is like a basket that holds a digit. Okay, I have an example of cherries. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to write 3 in the first box. It is a ones place. It's tell how many individual we had. That's the first box. Okay, now we have here another example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have here one group of 10 and another one group of 10s. So it's two group of 10s. So we're going to put that two group of 10s here in the second box. Okay, that we had. Okay, now we have here 100 of cherry. Okay, we have one group of 100, two group of 100, and three group of 100. Okay, so we're going to write the three group of 100 on the third box. Okay, so it means 3. We write a 3 in 100 place. It tells how many group of 100 we had. Understand? Okay. Now we're going to read the number using a place value. Okay. We have here 6 in the ones place, and 7 in the tens place, 2 in 100 place, 1 in the thousands place, 3 in the 10,000 place, 4 in the 100,000 place, and 5 in a million place. The value of the digit depend on its position in the number, but it's different when we're going to read the number. We're going to start on the left. Okay, we're going to start here. We're going to start in number 5 so we can read the number. Okay, since it was 5 million place, so we're going to read it 5,400,000 31,276. Okay, we're going to read again. 5,431,276. Okay? By reading a number, we need to use a separator like comma and space to make it easy to identify the number placed in the place value. Here we have a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to read it like that one. But if we're going to use a separator like comma, so it's easy for us to read a number. We're going to read the number from left to the right. Okay? If we're going to read the place value, we're going to read it from right to the left, but now we are going to reading a number. We're going to start from left. Okay, this one is in the period of million, and this one is in a period of thousand, and this one is in a period of units. Okay, this one is in the hundreds place. This one is in 100 place also, but in thousands period. This one is 100 place, but in a millions period. So we're going to read it like it is. Like, okay, ready? 123,456,789. Okay, it's easy to read the number using a separator. Okay, now we have here another example. 2, 3, 4. So if I didn't know the number place, I'm going to read it like it is. But we know already the number place. So 2 is in 100 place, 3 is in the tens place, and 4 in the ones place. So we're going to read it like it is. 234. That's easy, right? Okay, we have here 3,267. So it's easy for us to read this number using a separator like comma. Okay, we know that the 7 is in a ones place, 6 in the tens place, 2 is in the 100 place, and 3 is in the thousands place. So we're going to read it like 3,267. It's easy? Okay, now we have here too much number. Okay, the next one here we have in the period of million, we have millions. We have here a period of thousands, and we have here a period of unit. It's easy to learn this number, to read the number. This one, you need to remember that this one is in 100 place. Okay, it is 100. And this one also is 100. Okay, it's also, I write it's 100s. Then this one is also 100 place. But every hundreds there is a designated period. Okay, this is a period of million, this is a period of thousands, and this is a period of unit. Okay, remember. Okay, since this is 4 is 100, 6 is 100, 3 is 100, so we're going to read it 412,654,329. It's easy, right? Okay, now we need to move on this another one. Okay, this one is in the billions period. This one is a million period, and this one is a thousands period, and this one is a unit period. Okay, remember that this is in hundreds, this one is hundreds, this one is hundreds, this one is tens, this one is tens, this one is tens, and this one is tens. Okay, but different period. Okay, we're going to read. This one is billion, see? 3 billion 982 million 768,123. Okay, it's easy, right? The exercises for this section will help you practice and learn how does the place value work. And this first worksheet I had is reading number. Okay? If I'm going to say the number, try to read it, to say it by yourself. And the last I'm going to say the number. Okay? Okay, we have here number 1. Can you read it for me? Okay? You read it? Okay. 120. Okay? 123. Okay? Next, we have number 2. Can you read it for me first? Okay? So we have here 3,421. You're correct? Okay, we need to move on. We have here. So we're going to use a separator. Yeah, separator we use is in wait, I need to change the color like this one. We have the separator. Okay, this one is, remember, it's 100. Okay, but it's in units, period of units. Okay, so we're going to, this one is in a thousands period. Okay, so we're going to 56,732. It's easy. Okay, next we have here, going to use what are we going to use again? A separator. Very good. Going to use a separator here. So we have a units and thousand. Okay, this one is 100 in the units and hundreds in the thousand. Okay, so we're going to read. You read it for me first. Okay, now we're going to read 675,123. Okay, now in number 5. What we're going to use again to read the number? A separator. Okay, going to use a separator, comma. Okay, now we have here again, it's units and it's thousand. Okay, so we have at 10,000 place, we have ones, tens, 100 and 1,000 and 10,000 place. So we're going to read 54,102. Okay, next we have here, oh, it's not much digit. Okay, number 6, you read it? Wow. So since it was 2, so we don't need a separator. We're going to read it because it was unit. So it's 69. Easy, right? Okay, now we have number 7. Oh, it's too much number. Okay, what we're going to use again? A separator. Okay, so we're going to separate this using a comma. Okay, 1, 2, 3, comma, and 1, 2, 3, comma. Okay, that's the separator. I like it a little bit. Okay, now this one is units, period of units. This one is a period of 100. No, I mean 1,000. Sorry. This is a period of million. Okay, we're going to read now. 2,432,265. Is this right? 2,432,265. Now we have a new example. What we're going to use again to read a number? A separator. Very good. So we use a comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. See? So we're going to read. This is in a period of thousand, and this is a period of unit. See? It's 654,234. Okay? Now we have here number 9. Oh, not much. It's just a unit. So it's easy to read, right? It's 909. Okay? Now we have a last number, number 10. Oh, what we're going to use again to read a number? A separator. Okay? Now we're going to count 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. This is a unit, and this is a thousand, and this is a million. So we're going to read it as 1 million, since we have no, it's a 0 digit here in a thousands period. So we're going to skip it. So 1,204,000. It's easy, right? Yeah. In place value, we can write in expanded form. What is expanded form? In expanded form, we break up the number according to their place value and expand it to show the value of each digit. We have here number 1. Okay, we have 354. Okay, 354. So we're going to break it. We break it up. This one is 3 times 100, because it was in 100 place. So 3 times 100 equals 300, plus 5 times 10, because the number 5 is in the tens place, right? Here it was in the tens place. Okay, now 4 plus 4 times 1, because 4 is in a ones place. Okay, so we'll make it, we read it 3 times 100 equals 300, plus 5 times 10 equals 50, plus 4 times 10, 4 times 1 equals 4. So we write like this: 300 plus 50. Okay, it's difficult. Plus 4. So we're going to expand like this: 300 plus 50 plus 4 is equals to 354. Okay, now next number. Number 2, we have here 276. Okay, 276, we're going to break it up like 2 times 100, because 2 is in the hundreds place, right? So 2 times 100, plus 7 times 10, because 7 was in the tens place, right? Then plus 6 times 1, because 6 in a ones place. Okay? Okay, next, number 3. We have here 52.
Yes.
52.
Yes.
It was in, okay, we're going to break it up.
Yes.
5 times 10, because 5 is in the tens place. Then plus
21. 1
is in a ones place. Understand? Okay, so now we have number 4. We have 543. Okay? 5 because 500, because it was in 100 place. 4 is a 40 because it was in the tens place, and 3 it was in ones place. So we're going to expand like this: 500 plus 40 plus 3. To do the expanded form, you need to remember, don't forget the plus sign, okay? In every breakup, okay? You need to put a plus sign so you can make expanded form, okay? Next we have number 5. We have 198, so we're going to break it up. 1 in 100 place, so it was 100 plus 9 in the tens place, it was 90 because in the tens place, and 8 is in the ones place, so plus 8. So we're going to expand like this. Remember, do not forget the plus sign. So it's 100 plus 90 plus 8. Okay, that's expanded form in a place value. Here is another exercises for you children. It will help you to practice and learn more in expanded form. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to answer the first number and you're going to do the rest. Okay, so you could follow. But if difficult for you to answer very quickly, then you're going to pause the video and you're going to move on later. Okay, ready? So we have here a expanded form. Number 1, blank is equal 700 plus 20 plus 3. 700 plus 20 plus 3 is standard expanded form. What we're going to do is we're going to find the missing standard form. Okay, so 700 plus 20 plus 3 is equals, the missing standard form is 723. Got it? Yeah. Okay. Then you're going to do the rest. Okay? I'm going to be quiet so you could answer the rest exercises. Okay? I presume that everybody was answered the rest of the worksheet in letter A. Then I'm going to do the letter B, the first number. Okay, it's the same. I'm going to answer the number 1 and you're going to answer the rest. Okay? We have here 354 is a standard form and we're going to find the missing number in expanded form. Ready? 354, the missing first is 3 times 100 plus 5 times 10 plus 4 times 1. Okay? It's easy for you. Now you're going to answer the rest of from 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? You could do it. Okay, try. Okay, I presume that everybody was finished. Okay, now we're going to we're going to move on to another worksheet. Here is another exercises for you children, so it will help you to practice more and learn about what we are studying. Okay, this worksheet is a matching type. You're going to find your answer on the right side. You see that A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. You're going to find the answer here in the right, and you're going to we have a statement here in the left. Okay, now I give you 1 minute and a half for this one, and you're going to answer and look for the answer on the right. If you could not, just pause the video and so you could continue. Okay? Now start. I presume that everybody was finished, and see you on the another worksheet. Okay, I have here another exercises. Write the place value of the underlined digit. Okay, I'm going to answer the first number and you're going to answer the rest. Okay, so you have something to follow. Okay, now we have here number 1, 98. What is the place value of the underlined digit of 9? Okay, is 9/10 because it's in a tens place. Okay, next in the lower part in letter B, I'm going to answer the same, the first digit, but this one is different. You're going to find the value of the underlined digit. Value, it means you're going to find how much is the worth of the underlined digit. Okay, now I'm going to answer number 1, 974. What is the value or the worth of the underlined digit 9 in 974? It's 900. Okay, now children, you're going to answer the rest of the number. It's okay? Okay. Thank you for watching Mathenic and see you on my next video. Please hit like and subscribe my YouTube channel to reach this video to others have difficulty to find the references. Especially today, we have hit this pandemic, and I hope it's going to help you children to learn in mathematics. So welcome guys, and thank you for watching my video.